Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you how to remove and replace the taillights and how to replace each of the light bulbs. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so to start, leave the lift gate. Now these taillights are actually quite expensive for some reason. I know that like new ones even on eBay or Amazon are like $250-300. So I was able to find one on a local salvage for $75, so that's definitely the best option you can do. If you have a salvage close by, try giving them a call and see if they have any in stock. That will definitely save you some money. The taillight is held by two plastic trim screws, one here on the top and one down here on the bottom. So what you have to do pretty much, you have to pry out this middle black piece and then you will be able to completely remove that screw. So you can try to pry it out with a flat screwdriver or something similar. So just get underneath it and try to push it out from all the sides. Now these screws can get a bit stubborn and hard to remove, especially if you never remove them. Okay. Mine flew out, but this is pretty much how it looks, right? And once you have this piece out, then you can completely remove the whole screw. Okay, just like that. And now you will do the same thing on this one down here. One quick tip here: if you're having hard time removing those screws, it's always a good idea to use pliers. So once you are able to pry out this middle piece a bit, just use your pliers to completely pull it out. Once both screws are out, there is nothing else holding this headlight actually, so I want to pull it straight towards yourself. Do not pull it to the side because you might break two pins which are here on the side. So the taillight might be still stuck around here, so I want to use something like a plastic trim remover just to gently get inside here and try to pry it off, just like that. And now once it's nice and loose, you just want to pull it straight out. Okay, now to completely remove the taillight, you just have to disconnect all the wiring and the light bulbs, or in case you're just replacing one of the light bulbs, you just have to turn these sockets counterclockwise and pull it out. As easy as that, and then just pull out the light bulb, install a new light bulb and put it back in. Same goes with this one. Okay, those are the light bulbs. Okay, to disconnect this electrical connector, you will have a black tab just here on the top, but before you can do that, there is like a small safety pin inside here, this gray thing. So what you want to do, you pretty much want to push it out. I'll try to do it with one hand. Okay, just like that, see? You have to pull this out and now you can disconnect this connector. So there is a tab here, just want to press it and wiggle it off. Okay, and you'll have one more electrical connector to disconnect down here. So it's the same thing. You'll have a red safety clip which you have to push out, and then you have to push on this tab and pull the connector out. Okay, just like that. Now just press and disconnect it. Just wiggle it off. Trying to work with one hand. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so this is how you can remove the taillight on a 2013 Jeep Compass. To install a new one, you will just follow everything in reverse, connect those two electrical connectors, install the light bulbs, put the taillight back in, and install those two plastic fasteners, and that's pretty much everything. Takes literally 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.